In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok for AI. We'll start by getting to the right place, sign in securely, get familiar with the key areas in the interface, and then choose the AI model that best fits what you want to do. Open your preferred web browser and go directly to grok.com. Make sure you see a secure connection indicator in the address bar, then let the page load fully so the interface renders correctly. You should land on a clean home screen with a central area for chatting and controls arranged around it. If anything looks off, a quick refresh usually clears cached elements so you see the latest layout. Next, click the Login button. You'll authenticate using your XAI account or your X credentials depending on what you've already set up. This will redirect you to a secure sign-in page where you can complete verification and, if enabled, any two-factor prompts. Keep your information private and never enter credentials anywhere except the official sign-in form. When you're done, you'll be brought back to Grok and should see that you're logged in, often indicated by your profile icon. If you were already signed in on the same browser, this step may complete automatically. Now take a moment to look at the left sidebar. This is your navigation hub, and it's designed to keep everything you need within easy reach. You'll see voice, which focuses on speaking and listening so you can interact hands-free when it's supported on your device. There's Imagine for working with images and videos, whether you're generating visuals from prompts or refining media you've already created. Projects helps you keep related work organized in one place, which is especially helpful if you're juggling different topics or collaborators. And History lets you revisit past conversations so you can pick up where you left off or reuse effective prompts. Hovering over each item reveals labels and, in some cases, brief descriptions that reinforce what each section does. Finally, locate the model picker or mode selector near the chat bar. Click it to choose the AI version you want, such as Grok 4.1. Selecting a version tailors performance to your needs. Newer or more capable models are great for complex reasoning and nuanced writing, while lighter modes can feel faster for quick drafts or straightforward tasks. After you choose, the model applies to your current chat, and you can switch again later if your needs change mid-project. That's it. You've reached Grok, signed in securely, learned where to find key tools, and selected the right model to get started with confidence.